So, hello, my name is Deepak, and today I talk about a very good inspiration story. This is the main purpose to how to face why I face our problems, why the people face the problems. We cannot we cannot live without any problems, we cannot live a comfortable life. We can. Then I talk about one story. There is a farmer in a village who is very worried about his crop because there is a not the time, there is a not time on rain, there is a not time on wind, there is a not time on anything which is needed to the crops. They think all the things are according to the crops needed. Then he remember his God. Remember the gods appeared there and said, "What is your problem, son? And what is your problem, son?" Then farmer talk about all this story. Ki, why are you doing so that thing? Why are you not giving all the rains and all the things on time? God say, because they face the problems. They struggle. Crops are struggle. Then he produce the grains. He say, anything I don't know. Then he say ki, God, you are a God. You are not a farmer. I know very well how to produce the crops. Then he say, you give me I request you, you give me all the control of the crops, me, all the nature, all the control of the nature to give me, so that I can doing all the thing on time. Then God agreed that and said, and God agreed that and said, giving all the control. Then God. Then the farmer continue his work and sow the crops. Firstly sow the crops, and then he need the wind. He call his wind. He call the wind and tell, "He come the wind on my crops." The winds are coming. That's way you are calling about anything. Those things are coming. If you call the rains are come. If they call the anything, all things are come according to their. Then after 6 months, the rain, the crops are very blooming and very beautiful looking. But what is actually is when the farmers are cutting all the crops, he is very surprised. He is very sad because in the crops there are not any seed, there are not any wheat crops seen. He is very sad, he is very disappointed and remember his God coming soon. Then God is coming and said all the story. The God said, I say you, because you cannot face your crops cannot face the problem. This is the main reason. You're doing all the things what I do, but the main thing is not you do. I give rain against the crops. I give the wind against the crops, so that the crops face the problems and he produce the good crops which can you sell in the market. But what can you sell? Now you have not any crops. Then the farmer realized that what is you doing wrong. Then in this story we can learn about that ki struggle is very important in our life. Without struggle we cannot live a good life. If you live a very hard life, your life is very easy. If you do very work hard, your life is very easy. One day if you do very struggle life, one day become that stage, you any problem you can doing with one thumb of. Then I conclude that we can always face the problem. Shah Rukh Khan face the problem. Modi face the problem. Modi one day he's a tea selling on the railway station. Now he become a good person. In the Prime Minister, he's the king of the India. Without Modi, India cannot live. India Prime Minister Modi. Amitabh Bachchan, we talk about the Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, Tata, all peoples are doing very successful and struggle life. Without struggle we cannot live in any place.